Welcome. Today we are going to make Kerala's special Malabar biryani. First, soak 1½ cup of Siraga sambar rice for 30 minutes. For 1½ cup of rice, I have taken 400 grams of chicken. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, mix it well. Close and keep it for 30 minutes. Now for the biryani masala powder, I have taken 2-inch sized cinnamon, 1 mace, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 4 cardamom. Dry roast all the ingredients for 2 minutes. Let it cool down for room temperature, then transfer this to a blender jar and grind it. Make a powder like this. Now heat a fry pan, pour 3/4 cup of oil, add 20 cashew nuts. Fry it until it turns to brown in color and take it in a bowl. Now, add 20 raisins and fry it. Take it out once it is bulge out. Now add 3 sliced onions like this. Saute it until it turns to brown. It will take at least 10 minutes to come like this. Take it in a bowl. Now in the remaining oil, add 1 bay leaf, then add 1 onion sliced lengthwise. Saute it until the onion turns to translucent. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 green chillies finely chopped, ¼ teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ¼ teaspoon of garam masala, ¼ teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix them and saute it for few minutes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until it is cooked. Now add the marinated chicken and mix it. Then add ½ cup of mint leaves, ½ cup of coriander leaves. Now mix it well, then add ¼ cup of curd, 1½ teaspoon of biryani masala powder we made already, 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Now mix it well. Close and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take some amount of roasted onion and crush them in this. Now the biryani masala is ready. Now heat a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee, once it is heated, add ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon of pepper, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 mace, 2-inch sized cinnamon, 1 sprig of curry leaves, and half bay leaf. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the soaked rice with this. Mix it well and pour 2½ cup of water for 1½ cup of rice. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix it and close the pressure cooker. Cook for 10 minutes. Now the rice is ready for layering. Take thick bottom vessel and grease with 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now, for the first layer, add the cooked chicken masala. Sprinkle some coriander leaves over this. You can also sprinkle some mint leaves. Then sprinkle the roasted onion over this. Now add the cooked rice over this. And again sprinkle some coriander leaves, mint leaves, roasted onions, few pineapple chunks, little amount of biryani masala, ½ teaspoon of rose water, ½ teaspoon of milk with pinch of turmeric powder, roasted cashew nuts, roasted raisins. Finally sprinkle a teaspoon of ghee. Now heat the dosa pan, and keep the biryani pan over this. Now stick the all-purpose flour dough on the edges of the lid, then close the biryani pan. Make sure there is no gap around the edges of lid. Keep it for 15 minutes. Now the biryani is ready. Please try this yummy recipe in your home. Subscribe our channel, comment, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching.